Hello student, welcome to DSCJ Home Classes, a digital initiative by Directorate of School Education Jammu. Myself, Lal Singh, teacher, Government High School Chandrakoot, District Ramban, क्लास 6 to 10th, सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश ग्रामर, टॉपिक मॉडल्स। मॉडल पे पिछले वीडियो में हमने बात की थी मे और माइट की। आज हम बात करेंगे यूज़ ऑफ कैन एंड कुड। तो कुड जो होता है पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कैन होता है। कैन और कुड कहाँ यूज, सिंपली क्या शो करते हैं, सिंपली शो स्ट्रेंथ, पावर, अथॉरिटी टू डू एन एक्शंस। जैसे आई कैन डू दिस क्वेश्चंस, आई कुड जंप ओवर द वॉल, आई कुड जंप ओवर द वॉल। तो व्हेन परमिशन इज टू बी गिवन, इट इज़ बेटर टू यूज़ मे देन कैन। जब किसी को परमिशन देनी है, बेटर टू यूज़ मे देन कैन। फॉर एग्जांपल, मे आई कम इन सर, नॉट कैन आई कम इन सर। Could is also used in conditional sense. He would help me if he could, mean he wished to help but he can not. तो इसी तरह इन पास्ट टेंस could or was able to use शो एबिलिटी शो करता है। क्या शो करता है? एबिलिटी। संजीव could to teach 12th class when he was reading in BSc. संजीव could teach, could be able to teach 12th class when he was in BSc. Here he does not mean achievement of something in the past arising about abilities. किसके बारे में? abilities के बारे में। use of can is also used to express physical or mental ability, capacity or capability. For example, I can solve this puzzle, I can solve this puzzle. Can you lift this suitcase, can you lift this suitcase. He can read without glasses, can you speak French. He can solve this puzzle. ये इसकी एबिलिटी है, यानी उसकी क्या है? मेंटल एबिलिटी है। कैन यू लिफ्ट द सूटकेस, ये उसकी फिजिकल एबिलिटी है कि सूटकेस को उठा सकता है। ही कैन रीड विदाउट ग्लासेस, ये इसकी कैपेसिटी है। कैन यू स्पीच द फ्रेंच, इसकी कैपेबिलिटी है, वो फ्रेंच बोल सकता है। कैन इज ऑल्सो यूज टू डिनोट एबिलिटी अराइजिंग आउट ऑफ सर्कमस्टेंसेज। इट इज़ यूजुअली मेंट टू एक्सप्रेस आर यू इन पोजिशन टू डू। क्या तुम ऐसा काम। कैन यू लैंड मी ए 10 लाख रुपी, कैन यू लैंड मी ए 10 लाख रुपी, इसका मतलब क्या है? आर यू हैविंग दिस मच अमाउंट सरप्लस। कैन यू अटेंड द मीटिंग टुमारो, क्या तुम कल मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकते हो, इसका मतलब ये सर्कमस्टेंसेज है। आर यू फ्री टुमारो, कल क्या तुम फ्री हो। इन क्वेश्चन विद WH वर्ड कैन डिनोट पजलनेस, इम्पॉर्टेंस और एंगर ऑफ स्पीकर। यानी WH वाले जो क्वेश्चन होंगे उनमें क्या डिनोट करता? पजलनेस, इम्पॉर्टेंस और एंगर ऑफ स्पीकर। व्हाट कैन ही डू, व्हाट कैन ही डू। व्हाट कैन शी से, आई वंडर, व्हाट कैन शी से, आई वंडर। Where he can go, where he can go. How can she resign, how can she resign. Can is also show the circumstantial possibility. क्या शो करता है? Circumstantial possibility. You can ski on the hills nowadays, you can ski on the hills nowadays, or there is, as there is enough snow. You can go there by road, no, you can go there by road, no, as the road is repaired, no, अब road repair. May and can are used for seeking or granting permission in present or future with first person के साथ। I can meet the chairman whenever I want, I can meet the chairman whenever I want, इसका मतलब it mean I have already been granted a permission. I can purchase stationery item whenever I need, I can purchase stationery items whenever I need. It means I have already been given authority. It means I have already been given authority. We can also use me in above construction, but the use of can is more important. I may meet the chairman whenever I want. I may purchase stationery item whenever I need. With the second person, may is usually used when the permission is being given by the speaker. When the permission is given by the speaker. You may park your vehicle here. It mean, इसका मतलब ये हो गया I give you permission to park your car here, it does not mean that you have authority to park your vehicle. The use of can refer authority. जब can को use करेंगे वो क्या show करता है? The use of can refer the authority or right of the person. You can park your car here. You can park your car. इसका मतलब है you have authority to park your car here. With third person, the use of may refer the permission given by speaker. मे का मतलब है किसने दी है परमिशन? स्पीकर ने. एज अबो, ही मे टेक माई अम्ब्रेला, ही मे टेक माई स्कूटर. वी कैन यूज कैन इन सच सेंटेंसेस. इन सेंटेंसेस में आप कैन भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ही कैन टेक माई कार, ही कैन यूज माई फोन. द यूज ऑफ कैन डिनोट द राइट और अथॉरिटी ऑफ ए सब्जेक्ट. The use of can denote right or authority of subject, or it denotes that the relation between speaker and listener are so informal that he doesn't need any permission. While the use of may usually denote the permission granted by someone else. While the use of may usually denotes the permission granted by somebody else. Note the difference between in the following sentence. Differences in sentence. In certain circumstances, an officer may ask a driver to take a vision test. An officer can ask a driver to take vision test. If allowed, an accused person may appeal against the judgment of High Court. If allowed, an accused person may appeal against the judgment of High Court. An accused person can appeal against the judgment of High Court in criminal cases. May show the authority given by someone else and can show authority lying within the subject. अब आ जाता हमारे पास may और may not and cannot. The use of may not denote improbability, uncertainty, while the cannot denote impossibility. For example, the news may be true. The news may not be true. The news may not be true. It means may or may not be true. The news cannot be true. There is no possibility of it come out to be true. यहाँ कोई possibility की news true हो सकती है. You may go from A to B, changing train at C, or you may go by the way of D, but you cannot go direct, as there is no direct route from A to B. You cannot go there by water, as there is no water route. यहाँ कोई water का route नहीं है. You have use of could. Could is the past tense of can. Could क्या past tense of can. Could you is very important way of making request. It denotes more politeness or courteousness. Could you lend me your car for a day? Could you lend me your car for a day? Could you lend me your book? Could you please send me an application form? Could you please send me an application form? The use of could refer past ability. It means was able to. The could use of past ability. It means was able to. When I was young, I could climb any tree. When I was young, I could climb any tree. When Ram was young, he could swim across this river. When Ram was young, he could swim across this river. Could is used in present context with condition. Present context with condition. So, could you operate the machine? Could you operate the machine by yourself? Could you operate the machine by yourself? It means if it become necessary. अगर जब जरूरी है तो मशीन को खुद ऑपरेट कर. Could you get another job? If you lost this, तभी अब दूसरे जॉब जब ये जॉब लॉस. I could get a ball pen. I could get a pen if you want one. I could get a ball pen if you want. The use of could in perfect tenses shows such past possibility that didn't take place or action was actually not performed. The use of could in perfect tenses shows such past possibility that didn't take place or the action was actually not performed. He could have caught the train if he hurried. He could have caught the train if he hurried, but he didn't catch the train. He could have done it without much problem. He could have done it without much problem, but he didn't do it. But he didn't do it. He could have sent a message, but he didn't send, but he didn't send, but he didn't send. You could have, you could have informed me means I am annoyed that you didn't inform me. You didn't inform me. Could is also used as past tense form of can in indirect narration or otherwise. Could is also used as a past tense form of can in indirect narration or otherwise. Ramesh told me that he could lend me his umbrella. Ramesh told me that he could lend me his umbrella. I did all that I could. I did all that I could. Could is also used in unreal condition. Could is also used in unreal condition. If he had 10 crore rupees, if he had 10 crore of rupees, I could build a temple. I could build a temple. I don't have 10 crores. If I had wing, I could fly to Himalaya. If I had wing, I could fly to Himalaya. But I don't have wing. But I don't have wing. Could is also used to express general permission in past. Could is also used to express general permission in past. On Sunday, we could stay up late. On Sundays, we could stay up late. On holiday, I could use company's car. On Sundays, on holiday, I could use company's car. Could is also used to express presumption or probability. Presumption or probability. I wonder where Sham is. I wonder where Sham is. He could be in club. He could be in a club. Perhaps he is in the club. इसका मतलब perhaps he is in the club. I wonder why Sita isn't here so far. I wonder why Sita isn't here so far. She could still be waiting for a taxi. She could still be waiting for a taxi. Perhaps she is still waiting for a taxi. Perhaps शायद. In interrogative we use either could or might. Interrogative में हम could भी use कर सकते हैं, might or could she be waiting for us at the railway station. But in negative there is a difference of meaning between could and might. She might not be driving the car herself. She might not be driving the car herself. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? ड्राइविंग द कार herself. Perhaps she isn't driving the car herself. दूसरा, she couldn't be driving the car herself mean that this is impossible, she can drive. This is impossible, she can drive. Use of negative interrogative form. Couldn't I show that the speaker expect an affirmative answer. Couldn't I pay by check? Couldn't I pay by check? Couldn't I pay in cash? Couldn't I pay in cash? Thank you.